you are my only hope. You will never let me go. In every step that I walk through, your faithful love carries me. Though my life is full of sin, still your mercy covers me. When I fall and feel so weak, you are always there for me. You are always watching over me. From every snare along my way, from dangers hidden in the dark, your mighty hand is guarding me. Lord, you are so good to me. Your help is wonderful indeed. Your love is real in all my life. You never leave my side. I come to you and humbly pray. My hope is found in you alone. My prayer of faith I lift to you. You are my only hope. Lord, you are my hope, now and forevermore. Amen.